Today we're along the Merrimack River in the Belvidere neighborhood of Lowell, Massachusetts, and we're going to show you this wonderful property that we just listed. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and welcome inside this wonderful home in a wonderful neighborhood. We have a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with an in-ground pool and a beautiful 3-season porch. Let's go take a look. Look at this 3-season porch that overlooks a beautiful backyard and the in-ground pool. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms, and I'll see you downstairs in the lower level. In the lower level of this home, we have laundry, a second full bathroom, along with this wonderful living space with a wood-burning fireplace. There's also an additional room, great for a home office or a wonderful gym. Well, thanks a lot for taking a look at this home today. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're in the Belvidere neighborhood of Lowell, Massachusetts. And if you have any questions about this home or any other home in the market, feel free to contact me.